Hey guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And today we have a totally gross video for you.
We sure do.
Because we are joined by the Grossery gang, and that's what happens when your shopping's gone rotten.
That's right.
So, these are Putrid Power single packs.
Putrid Power.
Which, that's really awesome because that is the brand new season of Grossery Gang, Putrid Power. So, you can see right back here, that's called the Mega Fun Pack. It comes with 30 individual blind bags inside. That's what you see right here. We opened up one whole bag, dumped it out, and we're going to open 30 of these little guys with you today.
30 packs.
So, let's just start.
Let's do it.
It looks like we have a checklist.
Nice.
And a blind bag figures. So, who's first? Ooh, it's Chunky Curry.
Chunky Curry.
That's a good way to start.
That is. I love those colors. There's a checklist for you in case you need it.
Yep.
Blind bag. I love that these are blind bags.
Me
inside
too.
of the blind bags. Ooh, the clam. Who's the clam? Or the oyster?
That's the oyster. Say it.
Oyster.
Good job.
Thank you.
It's the awful oyster.
Thank you, thank you. Awful oyster.
What is it?
An oyster.
Good job. Paul,
I have to really think about how I say that.
Say it how you normally say it.
Oyster.
Okay, next one.
That's what's natural. It's not right, but it's natural.
Okay. Who is this? Oh, it's the Scabby Meal.
Yep, the Scabby Meal.
Super duper cute.
I always think he's going to be a lunchbox.
He's a lunchbox.
That's a really small pack. I was hoping it'd be a limited edition. It's not.
I don't think you get limited editions in here,
You
Paul.
don't, but still. Hola, amigos. It is I, the Toxic Taco, and I do not need much wrapping because I don't like rap. I like top 40.
That's silly.
Yep. The Toxic Taco, he is cool.
He is.
Adios, amigos.
Ooh, this is
Bangers and trash.
or poop.
No.
Bangers and trash.
Yep. Okay. This one feels flat. Who is it? Oh, this is the Radio Wreck.
That one's really cool.
It is really cool. It looks like it'd be a special edition.
Uh-huh.
Radio Wreck.
We don't see him very often.
No, we don't.
It's cool that he's in this series.
Yeah.
Oh, the busted boxing gloves.
Good job. Who's this gonna be?
Somebody awesome.
It is somebody. Oh, hello everybody. It is I, the Snail Fail.
Hello, Snailfail.
Hello, Shannon.
What do you have leaking out of your mouth?
That is snot.
Ew, out of your mouth?
It's not your business. What is leaking out of my mouth? It is the drippy, drippy words of sarcasm.
How does it taste?
Fail. They taste delicious.
Alrighty. This is a really small feeling one.
Might be the Pukey Plunger.
Oh, it's the Dirty Danish.
Oh, wow. We haven't gotten that one in a while.
Goes that way. He's
Yep.
like, that's right. I was upside down.
Dirty Danish. Wow. Sorry, guys. That probably looked scary. Had the checklist come flying right at you.
And the blind bag went flying.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Is the wrecked deck.
The dirty deck.
The dirty deck. It's a skateboard deck. Oh.
That's why it went rolling away.
Yep. Wingy, wingy, wingy. Very cool. I like that one.
Ooh, the Pukey Pumpkin Pie.
Yep, Pukey Pumpkin Pie.
Awesome.
All right. Who's this? It is the lobster.
Is
The
he
lobster is the rotten lobster. Put your hands up.
Silly lobster. We have a lot of red and orange so far. Here's
for
another
Halloween.
red.
Yep, the slop bucket.
Slop bucket. Blech.
Blah. Orange I get for Halloween.
Yep.
Red would be for Christmas. It does say it's perfect for your stockings.
These are perfect for any time.
Yep. Okay. Ooh, the slimy peel.
Awesome.
Banana.
Okay, who's this one? Ooh, the soccer ball.
The soccer ball.
What is he? The
Soccer ball.
Scummy soccer
Scummy
ball.
soccer ball. There we go.
Poor scummy soccer ball. He must have played in a lot of games.
Must have. Oh, this is the pizza box.
Sloppy pizza box.
Sloppy pizza box. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I'm Sloppy. Sloppy pizza box.
I would like to get the gooey shoe. I don't think we've ever gotten the gooey shoe, have
Me
we?
too. I don't think we have.
And the garbage mouth, we like never get him.
I don't think we've ever gotten stuffed pufferfish.
Yeah, I'd like to get some of those. That'd be cool. Okay, who's this? Oh, the slobfish.
The slobfish. Looks like a potato.
It does.
Open up. There we go. Come on, pufferfish.
We also need the busted football.
Oh, I got a seafood. I got the squid. The slimy squid. The squish squid. It's like, yes, when I walk, I go squish, 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 squish. squish.
That's embarrassing.
It is.
Oh, the little crab.
The crab. The scabby crab.
Scabby crab. He can go with my scabby meal.
Yes, he can. Okay. Oh, hey everybody, it's your good buddy, the Ouch Couch.
Poor ouch couch.
Yeah, I get sit out by the curb. It's okay because I get to watch the world go by. I say, there it goes. Went the other way. It's kind of fun to watch.
You're silly ouch couch.
Well, thank you.
Hey, this is Fish and Six.
Yep, fish and six. Funny, as many as we've gotten, we've never got a fish and sevens. Always fish and six.
So silly.
Yes. Ooh, the sushi.
Chewy sushi.
The chewy sushi. That's how you know that sushi is good. It is chewy.
No, you don't want chewy sushi. Paul.
Chewy like Chewbacca.
Do not eat the sushi if it makes that noise. That would not be good. A Trashapillar!
Trashapillar.
Another one for our orange and red collection.
Yeah. Oh, the Uzi noodles.
Very cool.
Yep. Uzi. I've got like a little pink section on down here.
I have red and orange. Okay, now I have somebody gray. Who is this?
Somebody gray.
Is this? Oh no, it's the fridge.
The fridge. The fungus fridge.
Oh!
Oh no. The fungus fridge took out a bunch of stuff.
He bounces.
Yes, he
Really, really good. He knocked everybody over.
Yep.
Okay, the fridge is awesome.
The fridge is awesome. Oh, this is the plunger, the pukey plunger.
I love his face.
I do too. It's like,
It's like, oh no! Don't make me do
no.
it!
Do you know where they put me? And he's pink.
Poor guy. Okay. We have,
the rim.
Wrecked rim? Rotten rim?
Sounds right.
Broken rim?
Rotten rim.
Rotten rim.
The rotten rim. Okay, only a few left. And then we are all out. Ooh, this is a big one. Who is this? Oh, it's the Grease Burger.
He's so cool.
He is. Hello.
He looks like Halloween.
I'm 3 all beef patties. Well, not all beef. Not even partly beef.
Mystery beef.
Yeah, mystery beef. Mystery meat. 3 all mystery meat patties.
Yummy.
Special sauce.
Ew. All right, would you hand me one, please?
You can pick one.
Okay, I will take this one. This one feels empty. It's not. Oh, but it's somebody small. Oh, it's the snot tap.
Oh,
this one is so gross. He's like oozing snot.
He is. Okay, last pack. Who's it gonna be? It is the
Mucky Duck.
The Mucky Duck.
Yay.
Alright, the Grocery Gang Mega Fun Pack is mega fun.
It is mega fun.
It's even in the name. We got 30 different people. No duplicates, not even 2 different colors of the same person.
Ooh,
so that's pretty
nice.
cool. I like the assortment that you get.
Yeah.
These are a lot of fun for like prize buckets or for Halloween or just for gift giving. I think these are a lot of fun. Okay, Shannon, it's time to pick favorites. Who did you like the best out of today's video?
Well, I love them all, but I have to go with the Pukey Pumpkin Pie.
Oh, the Pukey Pumpkin. It's right there. Cool.
Yep.
The Pukey Pumpkin in the orange section. I'm going to go down here. I'm picking a red person, even though it's on my side. It's the Ouch Couch. Because he likes watching the world go by. There it went. Okay, how about you guys? Who did you like the best today? Leave a comment down below and let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the share button so your friends can see it too. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.